Rare photos. This Japanese toilet refills through a sink in the top so you can rinse your hands and reuse the water. The lime on my key lime cheesecake is actually screen-printed white chocolate. This restaurant offers an option to order more fries for when your girlfriend claims she's not hungry. Potato chip bags at 7,380 feet are uniquely puffed due to the elevation. A really long French fry I got at McDonald's. Found this old 7-Up can buried on a property. Added eyes to my dehydrator, making it look like the child of Wall-E and Eve. This looks like Satan on the kitchen cabinet or two people kissing. This gray spoon turned green. This bill in Turkey tells you how much each person would need to pay if you split it equally. Found crystals at the bottom of a bottle of maple syrup that sat in the back of the refrigerator for a few years. Table for one at a Japanese restaurant. This club's toilets have no doors. Hands became deeply stained yellow to black after harvesting and shucking wild walnuts from the backyard. The roots grow according to the pavement pattern,